there! Are you facing the frustrating issue of Mobile Legends freezing on a black screen right after Moontone logo on your iPhone? Don't fret, I've got your back. In this quick guide, I'll show you some simple fixes to get you back into the game in no time. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Let's start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable and strong internet connection. If not, try toggling on airplane mode for a few seconds, then switch it off. You can also experiment with switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 2. Offload the game from your device. Head to your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, select iPhone storage. Look for the Mobile Legends in the list and tap on it. Hit the Offload app button. Confirm by tapping Offload app. Once offloaded, reinstall the app by tapping Reinstall app. After the reinstallation, launch Mobile Legends and see if the problem persists. Solution 3. Try a fresh reinstall of Mobile Legends. Press and hold the Mobile Legends icon on your home screen. Tap on Remove app. Confirm deletion by tapping Delete app. Head over to the App Store. Search for Mobile Legends and reinstall it. Now, fire up the game and see if the black screen issue is resolved. And there you have it. You have successfully tackled the black screen problem in Mobile Legends on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or other issues? Drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.